Hello and welcome to English Grammar and Literature World. Today we are going to discuss about preposition with 25 questions, answers and explanations. Do not forget to comment your score. So, let's get started. We are going to deal dash French language. The right answer is option B, with. Explanation: deal with means to handle or address something. With connects the verb to the object being managed or discussed. He would think it dash him to tell a lie. The right answer is option A, beneath. Explanation: the correct answer is beneath. Think it beneath him means he considers it unworthy or below his dignity to tell a lie. He has been learning piano dash 2 years. The right answer is option D, for. Explanation: for is used with a duration of time to indicate how long an action has been happening. Deepak hinted dash some loss of treasure. The right answer is option C, at. Explanation: hint at means to suggest something indirectly. At correctly follows hint, while of, for and with do not fit here. Eggs are sold dash the dozen. The right answer is option B, by. Explanation: by the dozen means eggs are sold in a groups of 12. By indicates measurement or unit, unlike at, in or to. She has not read anything dash Monday. The right answer is option C, since. Explanation: since is used with a specific point in time to indicate when the action started. From, for and over are incorrect. Do you know the reason dash his absence? The right answer is option B, for. Explanation: reason for is the correct phrase to indicate the cause of something. On, off and by do not fit here. You don't need to get upset dash these little things. The right answer is option D, about. Explanation: upset about means being emotionally affected by something. For, of and of do not correctly express the cause of upset feelings. Our flat is dash the second floor of the building. The right answer is option A, on. Explanation: on is used for floor levels in buildings. In, at, and by do not correctly indicate the position of the flat. We waited dash the station dash 15 minutes. The right answers are option C, at and for. Explanation: at is used for specific locations and for indicates the duration of waiting. In, up to, and of are incorrect here. I am ready to say dash his face. The right answer is option A, on. Explanation: say to someone's face means speaking directly to them. On, in, and by do not correctly convey this meaning. Being a religious leader, he should not delve dash politics. The right answer is option D, into. Explanation: delve into means to investigate or explore deeply. In, with, and at do not correctly convey this meaning. There is an exception dash this rule. The right answer is option B, to. Explanation: exception to is the correct phrase meaning something that does not follow the rule. In, for, and on are incorrect. I thought that my father was not happy dash me. The right answer is option A, with. Explanation: happy with is used when referring to satisfaction or dissatisfaction with a person. About, at, and for do not fit here. A good judge never grasps dash the conclusion. The right answer is option B, for. Explanation: grope for means to search blindly or uncertainly. To, one, and with do not correctly express this meaning. It dangerous to enter dash the enemy's camp. The right answer is option B, into. Explanation: enter into emphasizes movement inside. In, on, and through do not correctly convey the action of going inside a place. The servant refused to bow dash his master. The right answer is option D, to. Explanation: bow to means to show respect or submission. About, on, and for do not correctly fit in this context. Often we do not get what we pine dash. The right answer is option B, for. Explanation: pine for means to long for or deeply desire something. About, at, and on do not fit this meaning. Cockroaches are great nuisance dash us. The right answer is option D, 2. Explanation: nuisance to means something that causes trouble or annoyance. Over, at, and for do not correctly fit in this context. The customer smashed his first down dash the table. The correct answer is option C, on. Explanation: on is the correct preposition to use here. That is indicates the action of the first making contact with the surface of the table. This is the fashionable way of making dash your lips. The right answer is option B, of. Explanation: make up refers to applying cosmetics. Of, over, and into do not correctly convey this meaning. The company has to take dash more staff at Deepavali. The right answer is option D, on. Explanation: take on means to hire or accept more staff. Over, by, and into do not fit this context correctly. Pradeep had taken dash more work than he could do. The right answer is option A, on. Explanation: take on means accepting responsibility. Pradeep accepted more work than he could handle, leading to an overwhelming situation. My relation dash Bobby is good. The right answer is option C, with. Explanation: relation with is used to describe a connection between people. For, to, and at do not fit this context. Mrs. Shama made the children pick dash all the rubbish. I would rather she dash alone. The right answer is option D, of. Explanation: pick up is a phrasal verb that means to collect or gather something, which fits the context of collecting rubbish. Thanks for watching.